is sharp. Hey y'all, it's me, your girl Siani Lee, and I'm back with another video. So we just gonna hop right into it. I'm gonna be first carving out my eyebrows with the color Warm Honey by LA Girl. I'm gonna just be carving out the bottom of my eyebrow, and this whole inspired look is by Makeup Tiffany J. I absolutely love her. I always watch her videos, and I got this look from her. Even this method of carving out the eyebrows. So then I'm gonna be taking my NYX HD translucent powder, and I'm gonna just be setting that concealer. Then I'm gonna be taking my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna be taking that yellow shade, and I'm gonna be basically trying to take that as far away from my crease as possible. That's kind of like my transition shade. I love yellow as a transition shade. I always use yellow. I always use yellow in all of my makeup looks. So then I'm gonna be taking that orange, and I'm gonna just be putting that a little underneath that yellow. Then I'm going to be taking that brown shade, and I'm going to be putting that brown shade in my crease. I did notice, or you guys are going to notice when I cut my crease, that brown should have been a little higher up. But it's okay. It don't matter. I made it work. So that's what I'm going to be doing right here. Then I'm going to be going in with that same brush that I used for the orange and the yellow, and I'm going to just be blending that brown out as best as I can. Then I'm going to be moving on to the cut crease, and a good way to start your cut crease, or to know where your crease should be cut, is just to put a little concealer on your lid, look up, and then wherever that concealer transitions to, that's where you need to be cutting your crease. So you won't see me just cutting creases, you know. So right here, y'all just gonna see me getting that brown shade once again, and just trying to put it into that cut crease, but like on the end. I don't know how to explain that. Y'all see it. So then I'm gonna be taking that yellow again, and I'm gonna be putting that right on the lid where the cut crease is. Remember, y'all, with that yellow, y'all want to pack that yellow on so it will show up as I don't know, so it will show up. And this is me right here trying to fix, I don't know what I'm trying to fix. I'm trying to fix that cut crease so it will kind of like blend, but I didn't really do a good job, so just bear with me. So I'm gonna be taking some blue eyeliner. I got that from my hair store. It ain't nothing special, no name brand, and I'm gonna just be lining my eyes with that blue. So I'm gonna be just taking my mascara by Maybelline, and I'm gonna just be mascaraing it up like always. Then I'm gonna be taking my beauty blender and just blend out that part in the middle of my nose because that was looking crazy. Then I'm gonna be taking my lashes with my clear adhesive as always. I still don't have any tweezers, so bear with me again. I was kind of struggling. Actually, I did a good job this time. So I'm gonna be taking my black liner. This is also from the hair store. And I'm gonna just be lining my waterline. And I don't know what that line is near your, is that called an eyelash line? Well, that's what we're gonna call it today. So yeah, then I'm gonna be taking my baby skin and just applying that all over my face. I'll also be taking my orange concealer, my LA Girl orange concealer, and I'll just be correcting my face. Then I'm gonna take that Real Technique sponge and blend everything out as good as possible. I'm also gonna be taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Coconut, I believe. Yeah, I think Coconut. And I'm gonna just be, blending that foundation out on my skin with that Real Technique sponge. And this is hi, y'all. She was being shy. So I'm gonna be taking my, what is that? Dip Brow by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Ebony, and I'm gonna just be filling in my brows. I love the way that Tiffany J did her brows for this look. It looks so natural, so I try to copy as best as I can. Don't forget to get that neck, y'all. So I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And this is the regular concealer I always use. And I'm going to just be highlighting, underneath my eyes, my nose, my chin, my cupid's bow, and my forehead. Also, underneath my cheekbones. So before I blend out that concealer, I will be taking my True Complexions contour kit, and I'll just be contouring my face. But I'm going to do my method, of course. Then I'll be taking my True Techniques sponge and I'll be just blending all my concealer out. And I'm so mad, y'all, because I cannot find my True Techniques Face Expert brush. Y'all, I'm so mad. So then I'm going to be going back in with that yellow, orange, and brown shade. And I'm going to be going on my tear duct. First I'm going to be doing the yellow, then the orange, then of course the brown. So I'm going to be taking, yo, I'm so funny. I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter kit in Aurora. And I'm going to be taking Eclipse out of that highlighter kit, and I'm just be highlighting my face. I think I took that silver color in that kit also because it wasn't giving it to me at first, so I had to brighten up that highlighter. Okay, so right here I don't have my brown lip liner or uh, eyeliner, so I improvised and used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color Ebony on my lips. Then I used Fortune Cookie by NYX, and I also used regular lip gloss. And as you can see, I have dents in my head because of the scarf was tied down too tight. So I had to go back over that with contour and True Techniques sponge. And here's the final look, y'all. This look just came out so pretty. Oh my gosh. And I got so much love on Instagram. I just want to say thank you guys once again for your support and your love. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, just don't forget, please. And I'll see you guys on our next video. Y'all can just see me act a fool for the rest of the video. See you guys later. Bye.